He remains within the comparative safety of the canyon walls for another week. But then his mother decides it is time to leave. The calf is now strong and sure-footed enough to venture out onto the open plains, where he will spend the rest of his life. Not since the dinosaurs has nature got this big. Indracotheres are related to rhinos, but their size is in a different league. A fully grown male stands over 7 meters tall and weighs in at 15 tons. That's equivalent to 8 modern rhinos. No other land animal even comes close.